Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Veg Kimchi Ramen Noodles, only way. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping tofu and vegetables so everything cooks quickly and evenly. Sauté garlic and scallions first to build a fragrant base, then add kimchi and a splash of broth to release tang and flavor. Stir in gochujang and soy sauce. Simmer the tofu and noodles until tender. Finish with sesame oil and fresh scallions before serving. Warm and conversational tip time. Get your mise-en place ready so the stove work is smooth and fast. Drain kimchi but reserve a little juice to boost flavor, press and cube the tofu, and have noodles measured and ready. Heat oil, then cook garlic and scallion until fragrant before adding kimchi and broth. This prep creates layers of flavor and keeps the final bowl balanced, comforting, and quick to finish. Start with medium heat and a splash of oil, then soften garlic and scallion without burning them to keep the broth clean and bright. Toss in kimchi to caramelize slightly, pour in vegetable broth and whisk in gochujang and soy to make a rich, tangy base. Add noodles and simmer just until tender, warm the tofu through, and finish with sesame oil and scallions for a glossy, aromatic bowl that hits savory and spicy notes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.